Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can check the path of a document or a PDF we created on WPS Office. That is where it got saved. So sometimes it's very hard to locate. So on iOS as well as Android, the same settings will work. To search for path, click on WPS Office, open it. Herein you can see we have created 3 documents, Amit PDF file and 2 Word documents, Amit document 1 and Amit document 2. We need to know the path. So let's say we need to know the path of the PDF file. Go to the PDF file, click on the 3 dots. After clicking, you can see here informations are visible, detailed information, click on detailed information. On clicking, you can see position is visible. It got saved in document/local. With that, the file size is also visible. In this way, you can find the information about any document, that is where it got saved. Click on back. Now click on cancel. Herein, let's say we need to search for Amit document 1. I'll click on the 3 dots again. Now the same is visible. You can click on detailed information. Here it is. You can see the file size as well as where it got saved. Click on back again. Cancel. In this way, so guys, in this way you can easily find the path wherein your WPS documents, PDF, spreadsheet got saved. So guys, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Things.